It's 6:30 morning now and we are starting for Gatchar Pass. The weather is pretty clean, but कल की जो group थी वो जा नहीं पाया था, so today is gonna be very crowdy and yeah, today is apparently the toughest day of this entire trek. So yeah, let's see.
Like every other day, we were excited, but today was different. Today was the Gatchar Pass and the longest day of the trek, so we were a little nervous. Our hike started with crossing these boulders, and guys, it was not easy because the boulders were literally moving. After crossing the boulders and climbing for 500 meters, now it was time to see the Vishnusar Lake from a little top. Now let me show you.
Guys, so I have reached the second lake, which is Kishansar, that is just right behind me. बहुत टाइम लग गया, 1 घंटा लग गया, and because of the height चलने में दिक्कत भी आ रही है, but yeah, it's beautiful. Let me show you. Because it was surrounded by the green mountains, the color of lake became completely green. There were many people who started the hike with me, but in midway they couldn't climb the Gatchar Pass, so they did horse. Guys, so you have the option to do horse, but I would never suggest because it's not easy for them either.
Hiking into high altitude mountains can be challenging, but you can easily manage it by finding your own rhythm and walk. Rather than rushing, try to take 10 small steps, then pause, have a sip of water, look around, and find the correct balance and rhythm of your heart, and then again start. With following this simple step, you will be able to climb the mountain very easily and efficiently, that too without overwhelming or stressing yourself. I kept on following the rule and kept on walking until I reached the top. It never matters to me if I am the last one to reach the top or not. All that matters is if I am reaching the top.
Guys, finally I am at the Gatchar Pass. It took me 4 hours. So behind me are the twin lakes, to be Gatchar Pass is visible hai. And I'm going to show you. Currently the height is 13,800 feet and walking on this height is not easy. I'm coming from down there. We are coming from down there. मुझे पीछे लेक दिख रहा है वहाँ से. So yeah, so far so good. So we're gonna rest here for some time and then we're gonna go. अब बाकी वाला रोड सारा decent है, so should not be that tough. So guys, this is the guy who made this trek possible for me. Otherwise, I would not have reached this point. So thank you very much, Imran. And he said कि वो मेरे को नीचे तक पहुँचाएंगे. चलो, let's see.
After reaching the summit, I was in tears, thinking about the path, thinking about the planning which I have done to reach the summit, looking back at the path which I have crossed. Everything was so overwhelming that I could not stop myself from crying. I think this is very common between we hikers. After the steep climb, now it was time for the steep descent. So we had to go down to that lake which you can see from here. Everybody loves this part, getting down. Getting down is comparatively more easier than going up. But the down was too much. Little did we know that we have to go a lot. And this down was steep down. We were already exhausted with this stiff climbing. सब थके हुए थे. अब जब downhill आया, everybody was so excited and we all were just jumping and running. That made us more tired. हमें समझ ही नहीं आया कि downhill भी हमें इतना tough क्यों लग रहा था.
गाइस जो डिसेंट था, स्टीप डिसेंट, वो ऑलमोस्ट कवर हो चुका है एंड वी आर अबाउट टू रीच आवर फर्स्ट कैंप. कैंप नहीं है, मैगी पॉइंट. सो सही था. बाकी चलो दिखाते हैं आपको. उसी आई गॉट सम फ्लावर्स ऑन माई हेड. अब KGL में इतने सुंदर फ्लावर्स है तो रहने तो बनता ही था.
We stopped here by this beautiful small lake for some time before starting our hike again. Next stop was our Gatsar Lake. After a small and steady walk of approx 15 to 20 minutes, we reached Gatsar Lake and this is how it looked. From Gatsar Lake, our campsite was again another 4-kilometer walk. It was more steady, but the difficulties were due to sun, which was straight on our face. ये जो 4 किलोमीटर का वॉक था वो भी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट लग रहा था क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी इतना चल चुके थे. सुबह 6 बजे हमने स्टार्ट किया था एंड इट वाज ऑलरेडी 3 in the afternoon. हम बस चले ही जा रहे थे. However, the road was steady, but it was tough. After Gatsar Pass, also there is another army checkpoint जहाँ पे हमें फ़ोटो क्लिक करना था and then was our campsite. Our beautiful campsite by the river. We ended our day with magnificent and stunning view of the Milky Way from our campsite. KGL is known for these views, and with good weather, and if you are lucky, you can of course witness this. That's all for today, guys. Stay tuned for the next campsite, and it's again a very beautiful campsite. So, thank you for watching. Bye.